Good morning, student. Here we have start the revision of chapter Reflection of Light. In reflection of light, three important topics: image formation, sign convention, and solve the numericals. First of all, the image formation of concave mirrors. They have six conditions. First condition, when the object at infinity. The image will be formed at focus, real, inverted, and much smaller. Second condition, when the object beyond the center of curvature, a ray parallel to the principal axis passing through the focus, and another ray which is passing through the focus parallel to the principal axis, both rays are intersect between C and F, center of curvature and focus, image will be formed between center of curvature and focus, real, inverted, and smaller than object. Third condition, when the object at center of curvature at C, a ray parallel to the principal axis passing through the focus and another ray which is passing through the focus parallel to the principal axis, both rays are meet together at the center of curvature, the image will be formed in same size. So it becomes to magnification have 1 because height of image and height of object are equal in same size. Fourth condition, when the object at between focus and center of curvature, a ray parallel to the principal axis passing through the focus and a ray passing through the focus parallel to the principal axis, both rays are at beyond the center of curvature, real, inverted, and magnified. This condition, the magnification is greater than 1. And the fifth condition, when the object at the focus, the image will be formed at infinity. A ray parallel to the principal axis passing through the focus, another ray passing through the pole makes an equal angles with the principal axis, and both rays are parallel to each other. So the image will be formed at infinity, real and highly magnified. At the focus, when the object at the focus, image is highly magnified. It looks it's highly magnified and makes at infinity. And the last is when the object between pole and focus, the image will be formed behind the mirror, yani a ray parallel to the principal axis passing through the focus and another ray passing through a pole makes an equal angle. Both rays are diverse to each other and after virtually meet at the point beyond the mirror, so image will be formed behind the mirror, virtual, erect, and larger than object. So they have 6 conditions of concave mirror. Is a very important to learn it, the where the object will be kept and where the image will be formed, because their numericals is based on the image formation. Now another type of the mirror, convex mirror. Convex mirror is also known as a diverging mirror when the light passes through and diverges it from the principal axis. They have formed the two type of image, different positions. First position, object between pole and infinity, a ray parallel to the principal axis after diverging, passing through the focus, and a ray passing through the pole. Both rays are virtually intersect between pole and focus, image will be formed. Behind the mirror, between focus and pole, diminished. Second condition, at the infinity, when the object between pole and infinity, a ray parallel to the principal axis passing through the pole and another ray which is passing through the center of curvature, both rays are intersect at the point, virtually meet at the point. Such points are known as focus, and the image will be formed at focus, virtual, erect, and smaller than object. So only two conditions where the image will be formed in a convex mirror: virtual, behind the mirror and diminished. Always form virtual image, but concave mirrors have formed real and virtual both. 5 cases have real, and the last cases when the object between pole and focus it becomes to be virtual. So always remember the convex mirrors having virtual only and concave mirror having the image for real and virtual both. Next topic is sign convention or the image distance measured from the pole of the mirror. Now we have discussed about U is known as object distance, V is known as image distance, F is known as focal length, HI is known as height of image, and HO is known as height of object. Each and every distance measured from the pole of the mirror, either concave or convex. Now we have discussed about concave mirror which have the sign convention. First of all, you have always negative in concave mirror and V is also negative for real image but minus negative signs having virtual image. Focal length always negative in a concave mirror and height of object of concave mirror is positive and height of image real have negative but positive have virtual. So the concave mirrors always remember the U and F have always negative but V becomes to be positive and negative according to the V real and virtual. But height of object and height of image have height of object is always positive but height of image have positive and negative according to real and virtual. So now sign convention of convex mirror. Convex mirror object distance U have always negative but V have always positive and F also positive. Height of object positive and height of image positive. Because both image and focal length both are image are always in positive because they have virtuals always form virtual. So it becomes to be focal length have also positive. Now we have magnification of the mirror is always height of object by height of image is equal to minus V by U. You use the formula from the convex mirror to form the image to height of image. Find the size and nature of the image formed by when an object is be placed at 15 centimeter from the pole and the focal length is 10 centimeter. Find image distance and nature. First of all, now we have write the concave mirror and object distance U is negative and focal length have negative. So U is equal to minus 15 and F is equal to minus 10. Height of object have 1 centimeter. So above the principal axis it becomes to be positive. According to mirror formula 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. So 1 by V is equal to 1 by F minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by minus 10 minus 1 by minus 15. Now V is equal to minus 30 centimeter. Minus shows that a real image formed in 30 centimeter from the pole of the mirror. Now magnification of the mirror, height of image by height of object is equal to minus V by U. So height of object is equal to HI by HO yani plus 1 and is equal to minus 30 by minus 15. Now we have get height of image is equal to minus 2. So its magnification is of object, the height of image have minus 2, it becomes larger than object and real image form. So my negative sign shows that the image have real and image distance and 2 is shows that magnification becomes to be larger than object, yani object is bigger than image is bigger than object. Now another numericals on convex mirror. An object is 5 cm high is placed at a distance of 10 cm from the convex mirror of a focal length 15 cm. Find its nature, position and size of image. Now we have take u is always negative, so u is equal to minus 10 cm and focal length of convex mirror is positive. So take positive plus 15 cm. Height of object is 5 cm. So now use the mirror formula 1 by b plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. 1 by b is equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u. 1 by 15 minus 1 by minus 10. Now we have get 5 by 30 and 1 by 6. B is equal to plus 6 centimeter. Plus shows that virtual image. And now we have take the magnification. Height of image is by height of object is equal to minus V by U. So now magnification is 3 centimeter positive. That means virtual image, and diminished because the object height is 5 centimeter and image height is 3 centimeter. So image is smaller than object and its magnification it's positive. So it shows that it is a virtual image. Now we have draw the diagram and show this numerical is correct when the object between focus to pole, the image will be formed behind the mirror and diminished. So it is a correct value positive. Height of image is positive and object height distance of image is also positive. Now each and every numerical solved, and do you know it is right or wrong to draw the diagram